1.10.
Hi, Becky. How are you?
Hi, Tim. Great, thanks. Are you busy?
No, not really. Why?
Well, I'm thinking of doing some voluntary work in Africa, and I wanted to ask you some questions.
Sure. What do you want to know?
Well, you're experienced. You did voluntary work in Africa and you know me. Do you think I'm the right person to be a good volunteer?
Oh, yes. I'm sure you can do it. But it's a good idea to think about it very carefully. It's good fun, but it's also really hard work.
Yes, I can imagine.
You need to be really healthy. How fit are you?
Oh, very fit. I'm never ill.
That's great, because volunteers often work in difficult conditions, and they sometimes work long hours.
What do you mean?
Well, life is very different there, and you have to adapt to new situations. For example, the weather can be extreme. The food and the accommodation are very different. You need to adapt to a new culture.
It sounds very exciting. Did you meet a lot of people?
Yes, I worked with a big group of people. I think you'll enjoy that because you're a good team player. You have good communication skills. You get on well with people. You're outgoing and you're responsible. That's really important.
Thanks, Tim. What about the local people? Were they friendly?
I met some lovely people, but you need to be sensitive to their culture. I was open to people. You need to remember that their way of life is not the same as our way of life.
Right. What did you learn from your experience?
I changed a lot. I think I helped a lot of people, but I also learnt new skills. I made friends who I hope I'll know for the rest of my life.
It sounds amazing. Thanks, Tim.
No problem. Call me if you have any more questions.